My name is Teresa and welcome to my wonderful scientific explanatory notes. Today I want to talk to you about NASA's JPL small body browser. It's really a wonderful tool put together by NASA's Jet Propulsion Lab, and basically it shows the various orbits and close approaches of various small objects such as asteroids, comets, and various other small bodies in our solar system. And this year I had a cool idea for doing a project on using an asteroid, for lack of a better terms, like a bus, and have people on a rocket that launches from Earth to the asteroid, ride the orbit of the asteroid, and launch from the asteroid to Mars, to combine two missions into one. And I did calculations for this. But in order to do this, I used NASA's small body browser to see close approaches and also look at the orbits. So, the first asteroid I selected, well, I went through various asteroids, but the first one that actually worked for my means, it worked very effectively, was 2005 YU-55. You may have heard of this asteroid because it's recently been in the news for its close approach in November. However, due to its close approach, it got its final designation number in December, and basically that means that we're 100% certain for the next 100 years, or well, as certain as we can be, about the orbit of the asteroid, which was actually different than our knowledge of it previously. And I'd done all my calculations for my project, but I ended up having to start over with another asteroid. But anyway, this gives you various information about the asteroid. However, there's two things that I think are really cool. One is that we can see the orbital diagram, which shows us, as it loads, well anyway, the orbital diagram shows us basically where the object is at various times in comparison to the planets in the solar system. And I'm just going to work it from over here because it works more effectively. But see, you can look up and down and see where it is in comparison to the planes with the planets. And then you can move and rotate it and zoom in. And then you can choose whether you want it in hours, days, months, or years. It gets dizzying when you get up to months though. But you can hit play and you can see where the asteroid is in comparison to various planets. And another really neat thing you can do on here is that it shows the close approaches. So, close approach data is what you hit. You go down and it's going to tell you the date of the close approach. It's going to tell you what the body was, like Earth, Mars, Venus, whatever. It's going to tell you the distance in AUs, the nominal distance, the minimum, maximum, the V relative, which is basically the velocity it's going relative to the other body. It's near. And V infinitive. And semi-major, semi-minor, and various other information, which, well, give me a minute. I don't quite know what I just did there. Not very good with this. But anyway, so it gives us various information we can know, what we can find out, and you can use it for various calculations, which is what I did. However, since the asteroid 2005 YU-55 got its final designation number, I then selected the asteroid 2006 up. And this asteroid actually ended up working for my purposes as like the best out of the asteroids I selected. And you can do the same thing, you can look at it, watch the orbit. And NASA's JPL browser is just kind of a nifty tool that you can watch various orbits, tons of hours of fun, I guess, and you can learn various information about the asteroids and how, what its close approaches are, and even its size by using various data from the other pages. Thanks for listening. Hope you enjoyed watching this, and have a great day.